Hey there, gentlemens. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that's relevant to every man out there: how to look attractive. Whether you're gearing up for a special event or just want to feel more confident in your everyday life, these 8 rules will help you unlock your attractive potential. So, if you're ready to enhance your charm and charisma, stick around because we've got some game-changing tips coming your way. Segment 1: Grooming for Success. The foundation of attractiveness starts with grooming. In this segment, we'll talk about the importance of maintaining a well-groomed appearance. From hair care to skincare, we've got you covered on the essential grooming practices that will leave you looking and feeling your best. Segment 2: Dress with Style. Dressing well is a powerful way to stand out and make a lasting impression. We'll share tips on dressing with style, from choosing the right fit to experimenting with accessories. Dressing confidently is key to exuding attractiveness. Segment 3: Confidence is key. Confidence is undeniably attractive. We'll discuss ways to boost your self-confidence, including overcoming insecurities and embracing your unique qualities. Confidence is magnetic, and we'll show you how to harness its power. Segment 4: Mastering Body Language. Your body language speaks volumes about your attractiveness. We'll delve into the secrets of positive body language, including eye contact, posture, and gestures that convey confidence and approachability. Segment 5: The Power of a Genuine Smile. A genuine smile can light up your face and make you instantly more attractive. We'll explore the power of a warm smile, and how it can create positive connections with others. Segment 6: Staying physically fit. Taking care of your body not only improves your health but also contributes to your attractiveness. We'll discuss the benefits of staying physically fit and provide some practical fitness tips for men of all fitness levels. Segment 7: Cultivate a Positive Mindset. Attractiveness goes beyond physical appearance. It's also about the energy you project. We'll talk about the importance of cultivating a positive mindset and how it can make you more appealing to others. Segment 8: Be respectful and kind. Attractiveness is not just about looks, it's about character too. We'll emphasize the significance of being respectful and kind towards others. Treating people with kindness and empathy will make you more attractive in the eyes of those around you. Conclusion. And there you have it, gentlemen. 8 rules to look attractive and boost your charisma. By following these tips and incorporating them into your daily life, you'll radiate a newfound attractiveness that will leave a lasting impression on everyone you meet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And hey, if you have any personal tips or experiences to share, we'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, embrace your uniqueness, stay confident, and keep attracting all the positive vibes. Take care.